Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Dive Time Watch Reviews. I am your host, Slick Pits, and I am here to do a Saturday morning unboxing video. Hanging in my living room this morning. Of course, it's much easier to do unboxings for this, but this one is a little bit more special, as I have been really chomping at the bit for months for this thing. And it arrived, and I am super crazy excited to get this thing opened. It's hard for me to talk because I'm so excited. Being a scuba diver, being someone who's always looking for the bigger, the crazier, the bolder, my favorite being a Omega Ultra Deep is one of my Trinity watches, if you will. One that I really want. If anybody's held one of those, you'll realize it's a monster watch. Same thing with the Deep Sea from Rolex, another one that's just big. And everything I've seen about this watch, it is big. It is big, it's bold, it's a great white while you're underwater, and I just can't wait to get at it. And of course, what watch am I speaking about today? The Spinnaker Piccard. Oh man, I've just been really crazy excited about this. Today, of course, is just going to be an unboxing. I am not sponsored. I did pay my own money out of this for this guy right here. So everything I do, I'm not beholden to anybody. I can say what I want, do what I want, because this is mine. I own it. And just been crazy excited to get this thing open since the moment it arrived. Now, I'm not going to go over all the heavy spec sheets and stuff today because, of course, this is going to be an unboxing, and we're just going to take a quick, brief look at it. And I know you're poking around going, what's on his wrist today? Today is my Timex Expedition. Yeah. Of course, you guys saw that video a week or so ago that I broke out. But yeah, today, Spinnaker Piccard. Let's get to unboxing this bad boy right here. All right, guys, so cool looking boxing. Let's see what we've got here. Boom. I'm a big fan of Spinnaker. You guys all know I do own the Spinnaker and Islander Hull chronograph. Huge fan of that. I like what Spinnaker does. Let's see this amazing watch. Alrighty, here got a little bit of foam. Oh boy, let's see this beast. Wow. Nice presentation. Good job, Spinnaker, for a good presentation when you put together something, a nice little box for this. When you open up, nice presentation on there. And we'll pop that out of there and get this. Wow. Okay. White foam. Look at the size of this monster. Wow. All right. it's got some heft. This thing is a beast. And of course, yes, it is a true dive watch. They are telling us it's got 550 meters of water resistance, so it's going to go well beyond anything us recreational guys do. I am going to be getting into some tech diving this year and some other types of deep diving stuff beyond 130, so it's going to be fantastic. I'm going to unwrap this so we can get a real good look at that dial. Wow, that dome sapphire crystal that sits like a mile high off of the top of that dial, that face is just gorgeous. It's huge. I did read, of course, like if you look, what time is it? I don't know. What time? Yeah, see, you've got to really look dead onto it. And of course, my lighting's a little bit wonky there. But first reviews, guys. First, just look at this absolutely gorgeous big dial piece that I'm really excited to go scuba diving with. Helium release valve right there. Massive fat crown on that thing. Massive. And of course, got a screw down crown and nice substantial thick bracelet. And I'm excited, guys. This is the Spinnaker Piccard, and it's going to be going down on some dives with me. And we will look at what the loom looks like and all that stuff in the full review, which will be coming soon. So yeah, there we go. So guys, the Spinnaker Piccard, it's going to look fantastic. Is this going to be a daily watch? well, maybe I'm gonna wear this daily because I want to pump my arms up a little bit more, because this thing's got some weight to it. It's that was unidirectional bezel. That's always really, really cool. Super excited, guys. Spinnaker Piccard, first impression, it's a beast. It's really cool. I dig it. I can't wait to dive with it. And I hope you guys will stick around. I'll be doing a full review on that. And I'll be doing a dive review on it as well. And so that is it today. Thank you for checking out Dive Time Watch Reviews. If you dig the content, please hit that subscribe button right there at the bottom. And remember, guys, it is not the cost of the watch that matters. It is the memories and the adventures that you go on with them. I'm your buddy Slick Pits. Thank you for tuning in to Dive Time Watch Reviews, and I'll see you next time.